You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will show you how to do your APY calculation for Binance saving and Binance staking. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. So when you want to stake on Binance, either for saving or staking, you have to choose either you want to do locks staking or DeFi staking. And let's say, for example, you choose to stake BUSD and the estimated APY is 13.33% for the lock period of 120 days. So how many BUSD will you have for this period of 120 days? So let's dive right into the calculation. For Binance APY calculation, now APY means annual percentage yield. Now this is aside compounding. So if you have 13.33% APY on BUSD, that means you have to divide 13.33 by 100, which will give you 0.1333. So let's say, for example, you stake 1000 BUSD. That means if you want to stake here, and I said, for example, you are staking 1000 BUSD for the period of 120 days, that means you would have 0.1333 by 1000. So if you multiply this, you will have 133.3 BUSD per year. So this is what you will be getting per year, okay? Your daily interest will be getting by your interest rate per year divided by 365 days, because we know that 365 days made up a year. So if you want to get your daily interest rate, this is what you do. So that would then be your 133.3 divided by 365 days in a year, and this will give you 0.3652 per day. So this is your daily interest rate, okay, for your 1000 BUSD that you stake on your Binance staking for 120 days. So that also means that if you want to know the exact amount of BUSD you will have for the period of 120 days, then you have to multiply 0.3652 per day BUSD interest rate by your 120 days, and that will give you 43.83 BUSD for 120 days. So this will be the amount of BUSD you will get in 120 days. This is about 4 months. So this is how you do your APY calculation and know the exact amount of coin you will receive during that lock period. You can also do this for flexible staking or lock staking, and this also applies to your Binance saving. So if you want to do your Binance saving calculation either for lock saving or flexible saving, the same calculation apply right at this point. So if it is 10% or 5% or 2.4% or 20%, irrespective of the coin, use this method to do your calculation. And you have to know that when you stake or save a coin on Binance, let's say for example BUSD, Binance will pay you in that coin. Let's say you stake BUSD, Binance will pay you in BUSD and it will reflect directly in your spot wallet. The same thing for BTC, ETH, AXX and Cake. This is how you do your calculation and know the exact amount of coin you will be getting for your Binance saving and staking. In this case, I use BUSD. This is a direct APY calculation without compounding. If you find this video useful, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you very much for watching today's video and I will see you in the next video.